When it comes to glycol dehydration, Viking Pump has got your back. To prove it, here's a little something just for you. The new GB410 series Glycol Dehydration Pump, a robust, rebuildable product that will keep you up and pumping. Based on the GL series line of pumps, the GB410 series has been improved in many areas. These pumps are rated for a 225-degree thermal shock on startup, run at high speed and extreme pressure, endure even more abrasives, are easy to install and maintain, and can be quickly rebuilt in the field. For the competition, mixing hot glycol and ambient temperature pumps means a long, painful startup process or a broken pump. But the GB410 series has the highest temperature rating on the market and can handle a 225-degree temperature delta between the pump and glycol on startup. All sizes are rated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to cover any potential upset conditions. Other pumps need to be replaced or rebuilt every few months, but the GB410 series is built to last. Fewer moving components, coated in a hardened material, offer enhanced wear resistance against dry runs and abrasives, and resilience against upset conditions. To top it all off, if the pump does fail, the rebuildable design allows for the simple disassembly and reassembly with affordable rebuild kits, keeping you up and running at all times. And don't forget, these pumps are easy to install. The Viking Pump M-Drive makes retrofitting your skid simple and mess-free. The GB410 series can also be long-coupled and mounted directly to a base plate, giving you mounting flexibility. Each Viking pump is hand-built and hydro-tested in our state-of-the-art Cedar Falls, Iowa facility, so you know each product is ready to perform before it's shipped. Give yourself the gift of greatness. The new GB410 series is #1 in glycol dehydration. Visit our website to learn more.